everybody, what's up? It's your girl Cool Ass Keish, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to apply strip lashes. I am going to use my own Mink strip lashes that I sell from Nicck Boutique. It's real quick, real easy. You will need your lashes. You're going to need some tweezers. You're going to need some scissors, and you're going to need some lash glue. Take the lash, put it up to my eye to measure. Now, everybody's eye is not the same. Some people have shorter eyes, some people have wider eyes, so you might have to trim it. And sometimes the Mink strip lashes will have a little bit of excess at the ends that will need to be cut off. But I also go like maybe even a 1/4 of an inch in to the actual lash so that I know that it'll fit my eye. So I do that and then measure it again and make sure it fits from beginning to end. So that's the lash right there. I take it, I measure it, I think it looks good, perfect. Then I take the lash glue and apply it to the band, and I use the dark Ardell lash glue. So the lash glue is on there. I make sure there's no excess. And the trick really is to just let it dry. You have to let it get tacky a little bit before you apply it. If not, it'll just be all over the place. So you can wave it, you can blow it, however you do. Just let it get tacky a little bit. So the trick to me is to take it and kind of have it sitting up like this. So like all the way up like how your eyelid will be. Then you take it, and I pretty much apply mine to the middle first. I set it down on the middle. I go towards the ends and make sure it's all the way on my lash line. Then I take it from the inside and push it up on the lash line, just like that. So it's on there. I go back in and I press down from the lash, on my lash line, on my natural lashes and the lashes. So I make sure I have it all the way up there. And then once I do, I go in and I smash it down. And boom. So that still has to dry a little bit, but you can kind of see how I got it on there, real close to my lash line. And then I repeat the process for my other lash. So we, like I said, I have it up like this. Kind of just set it down in the middle. Then I go in. Press it down on my ends. There you have it. A nice set of lashes. It's really not as hard as we try to make it be, but you have to let the lash glue dry. That's the hardest part. Tweezers are easy for me. Some people can use their fingers. I cannot. My nails are typically too long. I will go in and like smash them down just to make sure they are flush with my natural lashes, so you won't see a space in there, so they look more natural.